Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to clear the web cache in your Google Chrome web browser. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. While I'm working as a web developer, I encounter this problem. Every time that I run the application that I wrote, it displays the old one. So this is very annoying. The main reason because the web browser, the Google Chrome that I'm using, stores the previous cache information. Now, in this video, I will teach you guys on how to clear the web cache. You go click here, the three dots here, and then select more tools, and then select clear browsing data. Okay, after that it will display your clear browsing data. You have the option cancel and click clear data. We will click the clear data here. That's it. No, it is already clear the cache in our Google Chrome web browser. Okay guys, so this is the end of our short tutorial video on how to clear the web cache in our Google Chrome web browser. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button if you are new. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.